Good morning. Today's video is on the Earth in the solar system, a geography lesson for class 6. The lesson is based on CBSE syllabus. If you are a new viewer, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for educational video updates. Now getting into the lesson. The sky is full of objects of different sizes. Some of these objects are bright while some are dim. The sun that we see in the daytime in the sky, the moon, the stars, planets and all the other bodies that are visible in the night sky are called celestial bodies. In kindergarten we have learnt about the twinkle twinkle little stars. Now let us see what are these stars. Stars are the celestial bodies that are too big and are made up of hot gases. They have heat and light of their own which they emit continuously in large amounts. The sun that we see in the sky in the daytime is one such star besides countless twinkling stars that are visible in the night sky. However, we do not get light and heat from other stars as they are very far away from Earth. Now let us learn about constellation. In the night time, we can clearly see a group of 7 stars in the sky which we call as Saptarishi. Such a group of stars forming a pattern in the night sky is called a constellation. Saptarishi is known as Ursa Major. In this picture which is on the right, you can see 2 pointer stars of Ursa Major. If you draw an imaginary line from the pointer stars and extend it further to north, you can see a bright star shining in the night sky. This star is known as the pole star or Dhruvatara, and it always remains in the same position. As the pole star, that is Dhruvatara, always remains in the same place in the north, people in the ancient times used to find directions with the help of pole star during night time. Now let us learn about planets. The celestial bodies that do not have their own light and heat are called planets. They get light and heat from the star around which they revolve. The word planet is derived from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. Our Earth is a planet which revolves around the sun. It gets light and heat from the sun, which is the nearest star to Earth. Planets are lit up by the light of sun and appear to be shining in the night sky. They do not twinkle like the stars. The moon that we see in the night sky is a natural satellite of Earth. Besides our Earth, there are 7 more planets in our solar system, and most of them have satellites. Our solar system, the sun along with the 8 planets, their satellites and other celestial bodies called asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. It is also known as solar family with sun as the head of the family. Now about the sun. Sun is in the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball made of extremely hot gases. The pulling force of sun binds the solar system. Sun is the ultimate source of light and heat for the planets and other celestial bodies in the solar system. Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. Hence, we do not feel the tremendous heat. Planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The names of the planets in the order of their distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets move around the Sun in fixed paths that are elongated. These fixed paths are called orbits. Till 2006, Pluto was considered a planet, but according to recent discoveries, it is called a dwarf planet. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. It takes 88 Earth days to complete one round along its orbit. Neptune is the farthest planet and Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them which are the belts of dust and debris. Saturn has prominent rings. The shape and size of Venus is much similar to our Earth. Hence, it is considered as Earth's twin. Now let's learn more about our Earth. Our Earth is the third nearest planet to Sun. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Earth is spherical in shape and is slightly flattened at the poles. Such a shape is called geoid, which means Earth-like shape. People who study the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. Aryabhatta was a famous Indian astronomer of the ancient times. Our Earth. Our Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. It has all the favorable conditions that support life. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water in the liquid form, which is essential for life. It has an envelope of air that has a life-supporting gas like oxygen. Our Earth is called a blue planet as it appears blue from the outer space. This is because 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Now let's learn a bit about the Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around a planet. The diameter of Moon is only 1/4 to that of the Earth. Moon is the nearest celestial body to our Earth, hence it appears bigger. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from Earth. It takes about 28 days to complete one round around the Earth. Moon takes the same time to complete one spin around itself. Because of this, always one side of the Moon is visible to us from Earth. Moon does not have the conditions favorable for life. There are mountains, plains and depressions on Moon's surface which cast shadows on Moon's surface. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on Moon's surface in 1960. Human-made satellite. Human-made satellite is an artificial body designed by the scientists and sent to orbit around Earth to collect information about the universe, for communication, to know about the weather. Human-made satellites are also called artificial satellites. The satellite is carried in a rocket and is placed in the orbit around the Earth. INSAT, IRS and EduSat are some of the artificial satellites of India. Aryabhatta is the first artificial satellite of India. Asteroids. Asteroids are the tiny rocky bodies that orbit around the Sun. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. According to scientists, asteroids are parts of a planet that had exploded many years ago. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks that move around the Sun. Sometimes meteoroids come close to Earth and tend to fall on it. During their movement, the meteoroids get heated up and burn in the mid-air due to the friction, which causes a flash of light. Sometimes these meteoroids, without burning completely, fall on Earth's surface and create a hollow. Galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Milky Way. A cluster of millions of stars that form a white band of glowing path across the sky is called the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way, which is known as Akash Ganga by Indians. Universe. Millions of galaxies make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big our universe is. However, we all belong to this universe. Hope you find the lesson useful. Thank you and have a wonderful day.